Welcome to Spyder Auto's LED taillight installation guide for the Toyota Tacoma. Before we get started, you'll need a 10mm socket and ratchet. Check out how Spyder LED tails change the look of your Tacoma. Start with the tailgate down or removed. Remove the two 10mm bolts securing the taillight. Unseat the taillight. Disconnect the taillight wiring harness. Then set the taillight aside. We have to transfer a few things from the old taillight to the new one. Remove the turn signal, brake, and reverse lamp sockets and the harness from the old taillight. Never touch the bulbs with bare hands. Now to transfer the harness to the new taillight. Reinstall the turn signal bulb and its socket. Remove the brake lamp bulb from its socket. Never touch bulbs with bare hands. Align the black wire side of the socket insert with the black wire side of the brake bulb socket. Reinstall the brake lamp bulb socket. Insert the socket fully to prevent condensation problems. Reinstall the reverse lamp socket. Now we'll go ahead and reconnect our taillight wiring harness. Then seat the taillight. Reinstall the two 10mm bolts. And you're done. Congratulations, you've fitted your Toyota Tacoma with a set of LED taillights from Spyder Auto.